What is up, guys? What is up? Once again, it's Chenyu here, and today this is welcome to the Olympus Academy. And today, Chen Yongqing will not be joining us today because he has some personal matters to attend to. But don't worry about that because I'm here and I'll be analyzing both Euro USD and gold for you. So I understand that some of you guys may want to us to analyze some other pairs such as AUD, USD, or maybe even silver, some other commodities. Don't worry, guys, we'll definitely be able to analyze them for you. Just leave a comment down on the comment section below to tell us which pair you guys want us to analyze. So without further ado, today is a very, very interesting day, and let's delve right into the charts, shall we? So as you can see on my screen share, okay, we are looking at the chart on Euro USD. So we will start off from the daily time frame of Euro USD, and we can see that it is very bullish as of the daily time frame. So if you just draw some chart layout, right, we can see that price actually came up literally 6.5759% ever since the lows that was formed back in the 28th of September. Yep. So price actually came up so high, especially with all the fundamental news surrounding it, right? With, like, for example, inflation, expectation of inflation to drop further, and that will also cause the market to take on more risk. Okay, and because they anticipate that the Feds will start to slow down the pace of their hikes. And all these are very bullish signals for the Euro USD and will cause the USD to depreciate. But before I start on all these fundamental jargons and explanations, right, let's look at the technicals of Euro USD first. If we were to go down to the smaller time frame, I'm talking about a 4-hour time frame. Okay. So let's give it a little sec. Okay, we are at the 4-hour time frame right now. We can see price respecting this bottom demand zone. Let me mark it out. Demand, you see price respecting it, and then it literally, this demand zone led to a breakout structure, all right, which is this breakout structure over here, marked by my green line. Yes, so price is very, very bullish, and for the entire week, ever since the 3rd of November, even last week, the market is pricing in the expectations that there'll be a drop in inflation. And that is very, very important, right? Because when the market starts to price in the expectation of a drop in inflation, that is directly linked to the Fed's hiking rates. And that means that the Feds have, runway to start slowing down their pace hikes because the effects of these rate hikes can be seen, right? With a drop on inflation, a drop of consumption, a drop of retail sales, all these are signals to show the effects of the rate hikes. So as we can see, right, the entire bullish leg from the 4th of November all the way up, right, it's about 4.42%. So price actually came up 4.42%. That is very, very, it's very strong movements coming in on the Euro USD, especially with the market pricing in all this, expectations of a drop in inflation. So if we go down to the 4-hour time, sorry, to the 1-hour time frame, okay, we can see that today is actually a very special day. And the reason why I say that today is a very special day, because it is the release of the CPI news, which is an indicator of inflation. So actually, the print for CPI actually came out even more positive. And sorry, when I mean positive, I mean that inflation actually dropped by a lot. And if you were to go on to Forex Factory, now I'm heading in right to it, we can see the inflation prints for CPI actually dropped by 0.2% year on year. And that is actually, it is showing a very strong sign that the rate hikes by the Federal Reserves has been very effective as of right now. So due to this drop of inflation, Euro USD literally bulled up, like, it literally went up 100 pips and is still going. That creates a lot of market imbalance and inefficiencies right at this area here. So this entire area here is a market inefficiency. Some may call it the fair value gap. In essence, we still look at this as market inefficiencies. So sooner or later, price will have to come back down to clear these areas. all these are market inefficiencies. Price broke structure high, and that is a factual statement and a factual confirmation to telling us that Euro USD is bullish. So today's inflation print, or rather CPI print, is very, very important, right? In telling us the future of and the future stance that the Federal Reserve can partake in. So we believe that Euro USD have potential strength to continue heading up, right? Continue heading upwards, especially with more CPI prints coming out, decreasing, right? The Feds will start to lower the rate hikes, and that will cause and create a stimulus for Euro USD to push up further. And that is it for the fundamental segment. Now we're talking directly into the technical factors. If you look at the 30 minutes time frame, price actually came down and it's actually reacted off this demand zone very, very nicely. So demand zones can also be called order blocks on larger time frames. So what I mean by that is on the 1 hour time frame, we can see a very clear order block actually. This is an order block, which is the last candle that led to a momentum increase and a sharp momentum up. And then price actually retraced back down to mitigate this order block or demand zone, and it literally went parabolic upon the news release. So that is on the technical segment, and we see that price actually broke structure with this parabolic move up. My personal outlook on Euro USD is that the price and the charts will continue increasing or moving upwards, and it can possibly, I'm on a daily chart right now, it can possibly test the highs over here right at 1.02 area. That is definitely a possible area price can tap into, and we see some kind of liquidity right above here where price can clear. So we expect price to continue hitting up to reach these areas. So that will be it for Euro USD. And if you guys have any questions, remember to leave a like and a comment down on the comment section below. So without further ado, I will be coming right into gold. So if you were to look at gold is also very similar in that sense, where there is very similar price action on gold happening as compared to Euro USD. Price for gold is literally so bullish. It's literally came up like close to 1,000 pips, guys. And actually 1,000 pips already. And that is insane. And price is super duper bullish ever since the expectations, as I've mentioned, of the Fed slowing the rate hikes and inflation prints coming out better and improving for today. So there's actually nothing much to analyze on gold because it's pretty much the same as Euro USD, and I've actually covered that in the analysis for Euro USD. However, I would like to touch on a bit of technicals, and I will delve right into the 5-minute chart, and we can have a very clear look at how technicals played out. Okay, shall we begin? So price actually came up, retrace. Price decided to move back up, and it moved back up, but it did not quite break these highs and liquidity zones right here. Okay, there is liquidity over here. So price actually did not break this. However, it went down further and reaccumulated this entire area here. It's called a reaccumulation, which caused price to actually push all the way up and break market structure. Thereafter, market starts to range and consolidate, break the further lows, clear these areas of liquidity below here before start inching its way back up and move parabolic upon the news release. So that's essentially what happened to gold chart, and we can see over here that there is a lot of market inefficiencies and fair value gaps and zones. That is definitely something we would have to look out for. And if you're just coming down to the 15 minutes time frame, this entire region will be marked out as a demand zone because it is the last area where price actually pushed momentum up and literally smashed up parabolically in a single straight line. So this is an area we will definitely look out for, about 1712 area, and that is it for gold. So I just want to say that, a thank you to all of you guys for tuning into our Instagram or our YouTube channel and watching our live streams, watching our videos that we upload. So, if you guys have the time, do feel free to browse through our TradingView channels. So this is my TradingView, which is, you guys can follow me at Chen_Yu. So this is it, guys, over here. And either that or you guys can follow my partner, which is Yongjing, and I will be going to his chart. All right, there you go. So do follow him as well. Okay, it's DogeStonks at DogeStonks, and do follow me as well at Chen_Yu over here. It's in the link. The link is in the description below. Okay, guys. So that will be it for today. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment and smash the like button, guys. That really means a lot to us, and subscribe, of course. So do stay in mind and do stay tuned for more videos coming up, and we wish you guys a pleasant and safe trading journey ahead. Peace out, guys.